How to greet people in French. There are several ways to greet someone in French, depending on the time of day and the level of formality.
Bonjour
is a common greeting that can be used at any time of day. It means hello or good day.
Bonjour. Salut
is a casual and informal way to say hi or hey.
Bonsoir
is used in the evening and means good evening.
Comment ça va?
is a casual way to ask how are you.
Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous?
is a more formal way to ask how are you.
Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Bonne journée.
Have a good day.
Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée.
Have a good evening.
Bonne soirée. Bonne nuit.
Good night.
Bonne nuit.
It's important to note that French people often use a double kiss on the cheeks as a common way to greet someone, especially when meeting them for the first time. Say goodbye to French struggles and hello to fluency with Easy French for Beginners. Order it now. On Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Nook, Kobo, iBook. And visit our store www.bilingualbookstore.com. Thank you for watching. For even more insights on all things French, be sure to visit us at www.bilingualbookstore.com. And subscribe now to our YouTube channel and start exploring the beauty of the French language and culture.